Hi, thank you for watching this week's CEO Update. My name is Eric Christensen. Well, at Heart of America right now, we've been doing here for almost the past year, here is a COVID update. Just to let the community know that we are going to be providing vaccinations throughout the Rugby area to all public over 18 years of age. Vaccines are being provided at District Health, the Clinic Pharmacy, and White Drug. And we're going to provide vaccinations in our clinic based on appointment. So we're no longer going to be doing as many vaccination days, given that we're able to provide vaccines through District Health and through the pharmacies. Also wanted to let the public know, and the staff as well, that next week we're going to be stopping the COVID clinic wing in the clinic. So what that means is if anybody with respiratory symptoms or other symptoms that might be COVID, we'll just go in through the regular clinic. And the reason we're doing this is we're seeing a very low percentage of these symptoms leading to COVID. It's related to other illnesses. And so with the low COVID numbers in our county and in our surrounding areas, the clinic leadership has determined that it's safe to have these patients being seen in the general clinic area. Just be known that we will be doing terminal cleaning after visits per guidelines. So we will be mitigating any risk of transmission of infectious diseases to any other patients. So, but again, just a little bit of change in the operations in the clinic starting next week. As always, COVID hotline is available. If you have questions regarding COVID, where to get a vaccine, or any concerns regarding quarantining, any of these issues, you can call 776-5455, extension 2201. I just want to send a thank you out to all of our community members. We had a really good attendance at our annual meeting, showed great support. Our staff really love all the support that was shown by the community. It's great to see everybody come out and show that you are really interested in the healthcare facility and the care that is provided in our community. So really appreciate that. Thank you so much for coming out for that annual meeting. There's been a lot of talk around here lately of the new building discussions. We are in current, basically an investigative period here where we're looking at the possibility of a new building. So we're working on that. Over the next week here, we're going to be working with the board and the building steering committee and some of the executive leaders to meet with our consulting group to look at possible building proposals. So we're going to be looking at proposals and options, looking at financing and what the association can afford, and looking at all these ideas on what a new building would be. Just wanted to let the community know that I will be starting to meet with the various groups throughout the community, groups like the Lions, Eagles, Chamber of Commerce, and trying to just start to have that conversation going forward of what the community is looking for, what the needs are, and also just showing you what our ideas are. So trying to create a good open dialogue here as we look into this building project. It's going to be a very large economic project if it goes forward for the city of Rugby, and so I'd like to get as much input as possible. Just as in closing here in this update, I just wanted to thank all the staff in the community. I especially want to thank the care providers, doctors, nurses, and aides. I've been hearing back a lot of good reports from patients talking about the really good care that's being provided everywhere from the clinic to the acute care and the care center, Holland Estates. Just a lot of good stories coming in of our nurses and our providers, our doctors, nurse aides, just going above and beyond for the care of the people in this community. I just want to thank you for that. You're just so valuable to our community. As providers, I think we cannot underestimate how valuable you are. And so I just want to again thank you for all your service, all you do for the community, and just always want to remind you of your value. So with that, I just thank you again for watching, and just remember, at Heart of America, your health is our passion.